Top focus, it's Delhi Chief Minister versus the Enforcement Directorate yet again. Now, Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal has moved the Delhi High Court against all the 9 summons that have been issued to him so far by the ED in the Delhi Liquor Excise Policy probe. Now, a division bench of the Delhi High Court is set to hear Arvind Kejriwal's plea today. Let's tell you, Arvind Kejriwal was first summoned in November last year, and in his 9th summon has been asked to appear before the probe agency on March 21st. ED had earlier filed 2 criminal complaints against Kejriwal in Delhi's Rouse Avenue court, alleging non-compliance of the summons by him. The Delhi Chief Minister then appeared before the Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Court, which granted him bail. Now, the court has listed the matter for hearing on April 1st. Rami, my colleague, joins me for the latest. Rami, very good morning to you. Of course, this is a clearly big action that's been taken from his front as far as all these summons are concerned. Help us draw legal perspective on this.
Absolutely. Good morning. As I said yesterday, it won't be an overstatement to say that it has become a cat and mouse game now. At one point of time, ED is behind Arvind Kejriwal, and at another, Arvind Kejriwal is filing cases against ED. So now Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, has approached the Delhi High Court challenging all the summons issued by the Enforcement Directorate in the Delhi Liquor Policy scam case. Remember, whensoever any summon was issued to Arvind Kejriwal, he used to say one statement, that these summons are illegal. We will challenge them. These summons are illegal. I am not being told in what capacity am I being called. Am I being called as a witness? Am I being called as an accused? So this was clarity which was always sought by Arvind Kejriwal, and he used to say these summons are illegal. Now Arvind Kejriwal has knocked the door of the Court of Justice, stating that all these summons are illegal, issued under the PMLA Act. It is also being told that he has also challenged the vires of the PMLA Act along with the summons. So the hearing is scheduled before a division bench of the Delhi High Court today, and the matter will be heard by a bench led by Justice Suresh Kumar Kaith. He is challenging all the summons issued to him. Remember, recently ED had filed a complaint case against Arvind Kejriwal under the relevant section of the IPC, stating that he has caused disobedience to a public servant by not complying to summons. He moved the session court challenging those, seeking an interim stay on the trial before the magistrate court, but the sessions court refused it. So now he has directly moved to the Delhi High Court challenging all these summons. We'll be keeping a very close track of this matter and will be giving timely updates on this. Over to you.
Right, Rami, as you pointed out, a quick follow-up question as well. In terms of the role that the central agency is trying to establish with the alleged allegations linked to the Delhi Chief Minister as far as this case is concerned, if you could help us draw perspective on that front.
So till now, whensoever summons were received by Arvind Kejriwal, the ED never stated that in what capacity is he being called. The summons were issued under the Section 50 of the PMLA Act, and that was the question put by Arvind Kejriwal, that am I being called as an accused or am I being called as an witness? Now, recently, in a big turn, our Enforcement Directorate issued a press release day before yesterday, where after the arrest of K. Kavita, the Enforcement Directorate stated that we have found some evidences. We have found there are allegations that K. Kavita, the South Group, paid around 100 crore to the Aam Aadmi Party leaders Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal. So I believe now the Enforcement Directorate has come in the forefront now. They are openly putting allegations against Arvind Kejriwal. So I believe it is a matter of time that when the ED is putting allegations against the Chief Minister, so it's a matter of time he will be arraigned as an accused in this matter. He is being called out again and again. So it is highly believed that he is obviously not being called as a witness, though we can only anticipate it, that he is not being called as a witness, but as an accused. Now ED has stated it multiple times. First, he has to appear, then only we can decide his role. We have to investigate. That is what we are calling him for, to investigate the matter. who's telling him he's an accused or a witness, you please come.
Right, Rami.
We'll see if there are any allegations against you. We'll array you as an accused if there are allegations. So that is what is ED
Rami,
is
for
stating.
the moment, thank you very much for getting us the latest in terms of what the central agency has said so far, and more importantly, what this really means for the Delhi CM as well as AAP convener. Like you said, we'll keep a close eye, but for the moment, let's leave it at that.